everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Garima and I make videos about DIYs, home decor and lifestyle improvement. And all of my projects are budget friendly ideas and they are easily doable, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you are not missing any of the video. Now coming back to today's video, as you have already read in the title of the video, today I'm going to talk about 5 must-have tools, home improvement tools meant for every Indian home. Now you must have noticed that these days do-it-yourself or DIY culture is quite popular. People are enjoying the process of doing things on their own, whether it is their home decor or some other projects. Obviously, when you do things on their own, it gives you a feeling of power or control, and obviously you save a lot of money as well. So I think everybody must also have some home improvement tools so that you don't have to run to your nearest carpenter or any helper for every small job. I have already shared part 1 of this video, and if in case you have not seen it, then I would urge you to please see it so that you are not missing on any home improvement tool which would make your daily life much easier. Now let's start our home improvement tool haul, and all the tools and items which I am going to show in today's video are from Flipkart. So the first tool I'm going to talk about today is very common yet uncommon at Indian homes. आप सबने इसे देखा होगा, but most of the time we think we do not need it. हम किसी से मांग लेंगे, we will borrow it, so this is why we don't buy it. But actually this tool is very useful and you must have it. I'm talking about the good old hammer or hathoda. So this is obviously used for putting nails, and you can also pull out old nails using the other part of this hammer. And obviously you can use it for putting nails on your wall or for hanging any shelves, even for any home decor projects. Like we used this hammer a lot for putting nails while paneling on the walls, and even if you are hanging lamps, you want to put in some screws, you can use the hammer for putting that. So this is a must-have tool, and use a good one, because if the grip is good, then there are lesser chances of getting hurt. So a good quality of hammer is extremely important, and I bought this one from Flipkart. All the details will be shared in the clippings followed by this.
As I've already mentioned in the beginning of this video, I bought this hammer from Flipkart, as Flipkart is best value for money platform with 10 lakh plus products. Home improvement range to aid DIY tasks starts from just ₹99 only.
Now coming to the second tool in the home improvement tool haul, I'm going to talk about pliers. Now I have to share a secret with you guys. I always used to think that this is a totally useless tool before I started working on my own projects. So I used to think, what can we use it for? But this is extremely useful. You can use it for holding something, like for example, you want to pull out a nail, and if it is stuck, then you can simply put a pressure using a plier on the nail, and then you can pull it out. And obviously for holding the wires or for pulling any rod or anything which is stuck, and even for some screws are stuck, you can use this plier for that purpose. So pliers are extremely useful for all electrical works or small nail based projects for screws and all. So this is also a very useful tool, and this will not cost you much. This is an extremely pocket friendly product. So this is a must have tool for your home improvement kit.
Home improvement tools for simple repairs are available on Flipkart just from ₹99 onwards.
The third item I'm going to talk about today is not exactly a tool, but it is extremely important for your home improvement kit or collection, whatever you want to call it. I'm talking about this rust off. I mean, most of the Indian cities or towns have got hard water, which means we get rust on our metal items very easily, like your bathroom taps, your kitchen taps, your nuts and bolts. You can see layers of rust on them within few months. I mean, I'm tired of the rust. I see rust on my new kitchen taps, on the new faucets. So I have to make sure that I'm maintaining them, because buying things again and again does not make any sense. So this is why I like keeping this rust off. It says it penetrates and loosens rusted nuts, bolts and other fasteners. It displaces water from metal surfaces such as spark plugs, electrical contacts and tools. This can be used on dampened surfaces as well. So I think this is an extremely useful product. I'm going to use it on my kitchen basket as well. The basket where we keep our wash utensils for drying, even that basket is getting rust because the water is so hard. So I bought this rust off for that purpose only, and I'm going to use it at other places as well, and I'll share my experience again after a few months. But I think this is extremely useful product.
Flipkart has very wide selection with great quality and genuine brands, and all of them are Flipkart assured. Such products are perfect for maintaining your house and redefining your creative corner, and such products are available on Flipkart starting from just Rs 149.
Fourth item in my home improvement haul is this mighty glue gun. We often associate glue guns with crafty and DIY projects, with tweaker projects, but the truth is this glue gun is very useful for homes as well. If in case you want to plug in a nail hole, you live in a rental house and you want to plug in a nail hole, you can simply put in some glue and that hole will be closed. Or you are shipping something, say a parcel, and you ran out of your tape, your sellotape or whatever tape you use for packing, then you can use this glue gun for sealing the package. So similarly, there are many ways in which you can use the glue gun in everyday life. So if you go to internet, you will see at least 100 to 200 ways of using this glue gun in your home for everyday small issues. For example, your slipper is very slippery, the base is slippery, you can just put on some glue gun and you will have a bit more grip on the floor. So this is an extremely useful product. It is easily available. This is very useful for DIY projects. Of course, if you have some interest in DIY, you can always rely on glue guns for quick projects related to fabric. If in case you want to have a cushion cover but you do not want to stitch it, you can simply glue the fabric. So this is an extremely useful product, and if you are scared of using glue gun, just make sure that you are keeping your fingers away from the glue gun whenever you are using it, and I highly recommend it for your home improvement kit. So if you go to internet and type in ways to use glue gun at your home, you will see at least 100 to 200 ideas. For example, if your footwear is slippery, you can simply put some glue using glue gun and you will have a bit more grip on the floor while you get a new footwear. So there are everyday solutions which can be easily achieved using the glue gun. So this is another must-have product for every Indian home.
Flipkart offers easy exchange, return, refunds and fast delivery. So you can buy any product without any hesitation or worry.
Fifth tool in my home improvement tool haul is, I think, a very interesting tool, very unique tool, and I came across it randomly while scrolling on Flipkart. So this is a 3-in-1 caulking tool. I'm not sure how to pronunciate it correctly, but I think this is a very useful tool and I'm going to demonstrate it how to use it in the clips followed after this.
This 3-in-1 caulking tool is a finishing and removal tool. You can use this for any finishing in your washroom. For example, the cement has come off from between the tiles. You can fill in the cement and then you can do the finishing using this tool. There are a lot of YouTube tutorials available on this tool. You can watch it and then use the tool. Flipkart has home improvement range to aid DIY tasks. So please check out Flipkart whenever you are planning any home improvement project in your home.
So that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this home improvement tool haul. I think this was a very useful one, and if you have not seen part 1 of this video, then please make sure you are watching it so that you're not missing on any interesting tool. And I will see you soon with another video. Till then, take care, stay safe and have fun.